system Mansar. Which shrine in Rajouri is a Muslim pilgrimage site? Shraddha Sharif. Which Jammu river is associated with river basin Uj? Bahu Fort, one of the oldest structure in Jammu, was built by Raja Jambu Lochan. The Mubarak Mandi place exhibits a blend of architecture from Mughal, Rajasthan and Europeans. Bhimgarh Fort is located in which district? Riyasi. Which fort rebuilt using stone of by Maharaja Gulab Singh? Bhimgarh Fort. Jasrota Fort is located in which district? Kathua. Which fort is located near the famous Mansar Lake? Samba Fort. Ramgarh Fort was built by Raja Suchet Singh. The Kremchi temple complex, believed to be ancient Pandavas, is located in Adumpur. The fort is found in which of the following districts? Rajouri. The Dhandiri Fort, used as a granary and watchtower, is in Rajouri. Basoli painting received the GI tag in which year? 2018. Kishtwar saffron received its GI tag in 2022. Bhadrava Rajma is grown in which district? Doda. Rajouri is famous for which GI tag? Woodcraft, Chikri woodcraft. Jammu Basmati covers which of the following districts? Jammu, Samba, Kathua. Which traditional alcoholic drink of Ramban has applied for GI tag? Sulai. Udhampur Kaladi is local cheese, is awaiting GI tag and is made from cow milk. Basoli Pashmina is recent GI tag related to which product? Shawl and wool. Which district is associated with the GI tagged? Bhadrava Rajma, Doda. Which product of Punch has applied for GI tag but not yet granted? Namda rugs. Which fort lies on the banks of the Tavi river? Bahu Fort. Who built the Punch Fort? Raja Rustam Khan. GI tag ensures territorial identity and quality assurance. Which art form is one of the oldest schools of miniature painting in India? Basoli painting. Which of the following has applied for GI tag but not yet granted as of 2024? Kaladi of Udhampur. What does the GI tag primarily aim to protect? Region specific traditional knowledge. Which fort is located in Kathua district? Jasrota. The fort known for Dogra military heritage and murals. Ramgarh Fort. Sulai is traditional alcohol prepared from rice and millets. Which of the following GI tags belong to Kathua district? Basoli paintings. Radhe Radhe.